This is a dog that dreams. You see that her eyes oh yes, are like white. She was just walking. She is dreaming. Her eyes were right back against her head. She is dreaming. I wonder if she'll do it again. Dogs keep their eyes open sometimes because it's their instinct. Some predators will leave them alone. Also, she's very old. She was twitching 5 minutes ago. I just wanted to show you what dog is in a very deep sleep. She's a very deep sleep. So, she is so cute. See you later, guys. Oh, she's dreaming. This is totally normal. You see the white bit in her eyes? She has rolled her eyes all the way back because she is sleeping and she is dreaming right now. So her eyes are completely open. She just twitched. She was going to do again. Her eye is moving because she is she snores. She can't hear me, by the way. Yeah, she can't hear me. Did I wake you? Did I wake you? Did I wake you? I'm sorry. What are you dreaming? What are you dreaming about, girl? Sweet angel. What are you dreaming about? Yeah, what are you dreaming? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, you go back to sleep. Yeah, sweet baby. She's a very old girl. I love her though. She's a very good girl though. Yes. Yeah. You old baby. You dream a lot now, don't you? Chasing cats. Yeah. She can't. Sometimes in a dream she can't hear me. So, yeah. You can hear me. Yeah, so I just wanted to film it because I feel like it's very interesting. And she's a good girl. She wants to go back to sleep. I'll see you in a bit, guys.